Good morning, Effect! Oh my gosh, I'm really contemplating doing Vlogtober. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I love doing this, so I guess it's going to come easy. So this morning, I woke up really early, but then I went back to sleep because it's a Saturday, guys. Who wakes up early on a Saturday?
That's a good question. I don't know.
It's a Saturday. What are you gonna do today? It's Sabbath, so I don't want to strain myself. I don't want to do too much work. Like on Sabbath, you're just supposed to chill, you know? And yeah, I feel good. I'm in high spirits. I spent the day with Dad yesterday, which was fun. But I have so much to do. I feel bad. I feel weird about all of this. Anyway, let me show you guys what I've been up to this morning. Mike and I literally just woke up and decided to destroy this watermelon. As you can see, it's already frozen on that side. I think I told you guys in the other vlog that this whole frozen watermelon thing is really such a vibe, especially when it's hot. So please get yourself a watermelon, freeze it. It's gonna be so delicious, especially when it's really, really hot. You're gonna absolutely love it. I've added way too much salt on my apple. I don't know if you guys watched this show on Netflix called Final Space. I really enjoyed that show. Like, it was so silly, but I really enjoyed it. I guess because it gave me like Mordecai and Rigby mixed with like Rick and Morty type of vibes. I don't know, like I just enjoyed it. So there was this guy, like was the space warrior, and he had a son, and the son's name was Lil Kato, and they were black. So every time I think of Kato, I think of avocado, you know. And I like avocados. It's so weird. I know, like, this doesn't even make any sense, but yeah, you guys get the vibes. Both my grandmas used to have, actually not used to, they have these grinding machines for peanut butter. This is the closest store-bought peanut butter that I've had that tastes mildly as good as what my grandmas used to make. Energy peanut butter. I think it's made by Peel Chart Investments, something like that. Shout out to you guys. This is premium. This is so good. Look at how creamy that is. Oh, it's so good. Oh my word. To announce that this will inherently be a food vlog because I'm not gonna be doing much today, but just cooking, eating, and just being happy because of food. Like, food generally just makes me so happy. It makes me food. I'm about to cook some pasta, and can you please appreciate how large these onions are? Like, what? They're almost the size of my head. Okay, that's a bit of an exaggeration, but you guys get the gist. Meal preps are no fun, but I honestly feel like this just needs to be done. So, let's get into it. I'm a bit stressed. I don't know if I want to do like strips or chunks or like pulled chicken. So now I don't know what to do. I just tried to put salt in my pasta water and the whole lid just came off. We need greens. I'm thinking green beans and carrots, maybe. Let's see. Please do not be surprised if you just see my mouth being blue. I'm eating candy. This candy is making me look ashy. Like, I'ma show y'all how I make my white sauce. I unfortunately do not have butter, so I'm going to try this recipe using cooking oil. Don't need it to be hot because with the flour will cause it to curdle. So everything literally has to be done quickly. So basically this is all you're gonna do till you reach your desired paste. I usually do this on very low temp because once it's too hot, it becomes so uncontrollable. Like flour and heat, So keep stirring. If you want, you can use a whisk if it's easier, but I like wooden spoons for this. Now we're gonna go ahead and season this baby. I think I can increase my heat just a little bit. Whilst it's simmering, we're gonna season. So to season, I'm gonna use some Italian seasoning. Put that down. I'm gonna use some Italian seasoning, garlic and parsley, and a bit of paprika, so it's not too bland. This is a bit too thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some milk or water. That's a lot. Oh yes, that cheesy goodness, like I absolutely love that. Ooh. Oh, I literally could eat the sauce on its own, eh? Like it just looks so good and it's so nice and thick, just the right consistency that I wanted it to be, which is great. Okay, I'm gonna leave it to simmer a bit longer. Oh, yes. In the same pan where we made our chicken, let's put flavor. Salt, black pepper if you want.
Oh no ma'am, oh no ma'am, no ma'am.
I mean, the presentation might be zero, but trust me, the food is bussin'. Like, this is so good. Like, what? I'm gonna give y'all a quick little mukbang before I knock off day 2 of Vlogtober. It's bussin'. Is it bussin', baby? Or just bussin'? Okay. But I asked, is it bussin'?
Yeah, I don't know what that means.
He's so old, oh my gosh.
Very old. Why not doing?
You're actually hikey finishing my food. I was just waiting a bit. Allegedly, drinking a glass of cold water before bed lowers the chances of having a stroke or having high blood pressure. But guys, can we actually just talk about having a shower just before you sleep though? Like, I kind of feel like it alleviates like just body aches, you know, if after you had a long day and everything, you just relax and just sleep better and you have better dreams. This hasn't been scientifically proven, but I don't know, like I'm just going by what I'm feeling, guys. Like every time I do that, I just feel so good, honestly. There's a product that we don't talk about a lot. We don't talk about this enough, to be very honest. Glycerin. I don't know if you guys know about this, but please get your hands on it. For me, I have really dry skin just before winter starts or just before summer starts. Like my skin just goes dry and it's flaky sometimes and I look hella ashy. Like I can moisturize with body lotions all I can, and even sometimes Vaseline can be a bit too heavy, especially if, you know, you're going into summer. Petroleum jelly is just a span sometimes. I know we grew up on that stuff. Let me not disclaim it. It's also good, but honestly, if you want something that works just as well but not as heavy as petroleum jelly, this stuff, glycerin, please add it into your moisturization routine. It's really good. I can swear by it. I know some people that actually put this in their hair as well. Apparently also helps, like if you have 4C, 4D hair, it's really good for you, or even 4A. Please add glycerin into your shower routine. It's really good. I can almost swear by it. So good. If you don't see results in like a week, come back and ask me. Also, actually, no, let me not say that. You can do everything. You can spend so much money on all these products. But if you're not drinking water, number one, and if you're not eating healthy, your skin's obviously going to complain and you won't feel good. So my advice is to obviously drink lots of water, at least enough for your body. Just eat healthy.